Copying values from SSMS Results Grid to Excel is a common daily task for many developers and business analysts. Unfortunately, SQL Server Management Studio does not offer a convenient way of transferring data between these two products. Regular copy-paste function operates with text representation of data and does not transfer any data type information to clipboard, so the pasted values appear in Excel messed up. Phone numbers are recognized as formulas, numeric values from servers with different regional settings appear corrupt, string data is truncated, and datetime values are imported as text. SSMSBoost offers 3 easy and reliable ways of transferring data from Results Grid to Excel, preserving data type information. Let's start with the most common one: copy-paste data to Excel. All you have to do is select the data you need, choose Copy as XML Spreadsheet command, and all the selected data will be copied to clipboard in native Excel format. Now I paste the data to Excel. As you can see, bold font is used for table headers. Datetime values are correctly displayed, and you can change datetime display format. Numbers in total due column were recognized as decimal values. The phone numbers are not corrupt, and Excel does not confuse them with arithmetic statements. All these tweaks make copying data to Excel easy and fast. Results Grid Scripter is another powerful SSMSBoost tool that allows you to script data from one or several SSMS grids to a file or clipboard using your own or predefined scripting templates. I select XML Spreadsheet template. You can choose to script the selection, current grid, or all grids. The data can be saved to a file, copied to clipboard, or opened in a new SSMS tab. The window of the Results Grid Scripter is dockable, so once you have configured the values, you can dock it under Object Explorer, for example, to keep it handy and ready for action. For now, let's export all grids to the file and have it opened after scripting. I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that copied data is consistent and includes data type information. Strings are not truncated. Note that results from different grids were imported to separate Excel sheets. To repeat the scripting, all you have to do is to click Start Scripting. Let's move to the third method. Unlike the first two, this one doesn't export data from Results Grid. It exports the selected query in Excel database query format to the disk and opens the generated file in Microsoft Excel. To use this function, hit Export in DQY button. Excel might ask you for confirmation to open DQY file upon its execution. Excel executes the query and displays the results. If you need to refresh the data, click Refresh button on the toolbar. Note that this method is suitable only for those SQL statements that return single dataset. After opening it in Excel, you will be able to see the imported connection information and the query under Data, Connections. To get a more detailed information about this file type and its usage, search for DQY files in Google. Excel database query file is text-based and consists of the header that contains connection information and the query itself. The template and connection information settings can be customized in SSMSBoost Settings, Database Query. Export SQL Server Authentication Password function should be used with care. It is unchecked by default, but in case you choose to turn it on, keep it in mind that if you use the native SQL Server authentication method, your password will be exported unencrypted. All 3 ways that we have reviewed today have their advantages depending on usage scenario. You can pick the most suitable one depending on your mission. That is all for today. I hope the tips will help you perform faster and better than you did before. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below to help us improve this functionality. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.